Good morning, students. Today we will continue our second chapter of grammar, that is article. In our first class, we have discussed a and n. So today we will discuss the, the, the. Um, Now this the, the is always you have to place the always before the noun. Noun is a naming word. Like for example, let's see the example: the floor, the ceiling, the door, the light of a room. So the floor, ceiling, door, the light, all these are specific things of a particular room. When there is something particular or something specific, at that time only you have to add the. Like for example, another example: the roof, the garden, the kitchen, the bathroom of a house. So the house is a particular house. We are talking about a particular house, not as a common house which every individual has, right? So if there is something particular, if there is something specific, then you have to add the. Mom is in the kitchen in the house. So here kitchen, we are talking about the kitchen which we have in our house, in our particular house. Similarly, we use the in the following cases also to speak of a particular person or thing. Like I have already said, a particular thing. We have discussed particular noun. Now the place. Let us go to the lotus garden. The lotus garden is famous. We have only one lotus garden, right? So that is particular or the specific lotus garden. So we have used the lotus garden. This is the book he wants. Now here is a specific one book. So they have added the. We don't use the when we are talking about something in general. So there should be always specific when you add the. You cannot use the every time. Whenever you talk or whenever you write, you cannot write the every time. The should be used only in some particular or specific things only. We cannot use the in general. Generally, like for example, butter is not good for you. This is general. Butter. All of us have heard about butter. We know what is butter, right? There are so many companies of butter. But the butter is a common noun. So we cannot add the butter is good for you. The correct sentence would be butter is not good for you. Now another sentence: the butter in the fridge. Now this is particular. We are talking about the butter which is in our fridge. So that butter is the particular butter we are talking about, not in a general term. I hope you are understanding. If you don't understand anything, please let me know. Do comment in the Wasm app. I will try my best to answer all your queries. Okay. Now, with a singular noun to represent a whole class, as the rose smell sweet, the cow is a useful animal, the cat and the lion are the same family. Now these are the singular noun. Rose, the rose, singular noun. Rose is singular noun, so we have used the. Cow is a singular noun, so we have used the cow. Okay. But when we use man or woman for the whole class, we never use an or the with it. So you have to remember, whenever you are writing about men or woman or you are talking about men or woman, you cannot add the, or there shouldn't be any a and the the. Okay. With superlatives, as honesty is the best policy, Sania is the best player of our team. Now these are the honesty is the best policy. This is saying one of the adverb, right? So we have to use the in superlatives. Before an adjective, when the noun is understood as the rich should help the poor. Now adjective is a describing word. rich. So the rich is describing some rich people. So before adjective we can use the. The rich should help the poor. With the name of sacred books as the Vedas, the Puranas, the Ramayana, the Bible, the Quran. These are the sacred books, and these are the specific noun also. You will find Vedas, only one Veda, Ramayanas, Puranas. These are specific noun also, and these are the names of the sacred book also. So you have to add the. With the name of natural objects that are unique as the sun, the sky, the ocean, the sea, the earth. So these are the natural objects. Natural, that it's not man-made. So whenever you are talking about the natural things, you have to add the. With the names of rivers, seas, ocean, gulfs, group of island and mountain range as the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Indian Ocean, the Persian Gulf, the Andamans, the Himalayas, the Alps. So these are also the specific noun, and these are also not a man-made, right? The rivers, seas, oceans, whenever we are talking about these things, rivers, seas, ocean, mountains, sacred books, adjectives, we have to add the. So the the you always have to add before a specific noun plus sacred books plus natural things plus river, seas, ocean, gulfs and etc. You cannot use and the whenever you are talking about men and a woman. Okay, so this is the chapter about article. I will give you some of few homeworks which you have to do in your exercise copy. Okay, you have to write the articles. You have to add the articles where a, an or the is required. Try to do it by yourself. Please try to listen the videos carefully so that you will able to understand. Okay, and if you have any queries, please let me know. Till then, take care and be safe.